Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate file backups with Dropbox step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Dropbox website. Sign in to your Dropbox account using your credentials. If you don't have a Dropbox account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, look for the download button on the home page. Click the download button to get the Dropbox desktop application. After the download completes, locate the installation file on your computer. Double-click the installation file to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts to install the Dropbox application on your computer. Once installed, open the Dropbox application. Sign in to your Dropbox account within the application. Locate the Dropbox folder, which will be created automatically on your computer. This folder is where all files will be backed up to your Dropbox account. Now, choose the files or folders you want to automate for backup. For automatic backups, consider using a dedicated backup application or script. If you prefer a manual approach, drag and drop the files into the Dropbox folder. To set up an automated backup system, open your backup application. Select the files or folders you want to back up automatically. Choose the destination as your Dropbox folder. Set a schedule for how often you want the backups to occur. Save your backup settings and close the application. Check to ensure your files are appearing in your Dropbox folder. You can verify the backup by logging into your Dropbox account via the web. Once confirmed, you will have a seamless automated backup system in place. This automation will help you keep your important files safe and accessible. Always monitor your Dropbox storage space to avoid issues with backups. Consider reviewing your backup settings periodically to ensure everything is functioning as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.